Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use emojis in Windows 10. So let's start. Using emojis in Windows 10 is so simple, you can do this by only using a shortcut. Press the Windows logo key and dot together. A very small and cute window will appear on your screen. Now you can get your favorite emoji from here. As you can see here at the bottom, there are other categories of emojis. Just click on it and use it anywhere. Also, you can find Emojis by typing its name. For example, I am typing cake. See, all the cake emojis have been filtered out here. Let's try something else. Type food. All foodie emojis are here. These small windows have not only emojis but emoji and many symbols also. And one more thing, that here on faces you can change the color of all faces. Let me show you one by one. Click here, and here are a lot of emoji. Also here on the bottom, it has different categories. Now, click here on this icon and jump to symbols. You can find any symbol related to maths or programming and for other things. Let's use them anywhere. Open Word and use them. Can you guess my sentence with the help of these emojis? Yeah, you guessed right. I am trying to say, please like the video. That's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.